Imagine waking up and knowing that money is no longer a problem. No stress about bills, no fear of losing your job. You have true financial freedom. Here's the catch. Most people never reach that level because they don't even know where they stand today. In this video, I'll break down the 7 levels of wealth so you can identify where you are and, more importantly, how to level up. Stay until the end because most people get stuck at level 4 thinking they've made it when they haven't. Total financial dependence. You're completely dependent on someone else. You rely on parents, a partner, or government aid for survival. Every financial decision is out of your hands. If the support stops, you're in serious trouble. How to escape. Start earning your own money, even if it's small. Side hustles, freelance gigs, part-time jobs, anything to break from dependency. Financial survival. You have an income, but you're living paycheck to paycheck. Your money covers the basics, rent, food, bills, but there's nothing left over. A single emergency, like a car breakdown, could wipe you out. Debt might be creeping up because you're forced to borrow when things go wrong. How to level up. Build a starter emergency fund. Even £500 can make a difference. Track your spending. Most people at this stage don't even know where their money is going. Financial stability. Right, you're out of survival mode, but just barely. You have some savings, maybe 3 to 6 months of expenses. Debt is under control, but you're not building wealth yet. You feel stable, but one big life event, like a job loss or illness, could push you back. How to level up. Start investing, even small amounts. Increase your income streams. This is where many people get stuck because they only focus on cutting expenses. Financial growth. You're actively growing wealth, not just saving it. You have investments working for you. Your income is higher than your expenses. Not just surviving, but thriving. You might own assets like stocks, property, or a business. The trap? This is where many people think they've made it, but they haven't. They still rely on active income. If they stop working, their wealth won't sustain them. Financial security. Your investments cover your bare minimum expenses. You can live without a paycheck, but just at the basic level. You don't need to work, but you still want more comfort and freedom. How to level up. Shift from active income to passive income. Build streams that generate cash flow without your time. Financial independence. You can maintain your lifestyle indefinitely without working. Your investments produce enough income to cover all your wants and needs. You can retire early, travel, or pursue passion projects. The key difference, you're not just surviving on your investments, you're actually comfortable. Financial abundance. Money is no longer a concern at all. You make more money you could ever spend. You focus on legacy, impact, and giving back. Think Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, or even wealthy early retirees who give freely. How to reach this level? Multiply your assets. Shift from I need money to how can I create more value? Now that you know the 7 levels of wealth, here's the question. Which level are you at? Drop a comment below with your number and let's talk about how to level up together. If you want step-by-step strategies on how to reach financial independence faster, check out my next video here. I hope this video helped make financial sense. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.